My diary. I am the young seagull. I am the young seagull alone on the sledge in the sea. My parents, my brothers, and my sister flew away 24 hours ago. Nobody took care of me. My mother often looks at me, and I am tired and very hungry. I beg them for food, but my voice is unheard. I couldn't fly with them because I am afraid of sea. I think my wings will not support me. My mother, with a fish in her beak, comes to me and halts her flight abruptly. Blind with thirst and hunger, I jump to the fish. My mother torches away, and I am falling to the sea. I struggle hard to save my life and flutter my wings. It's exciting that I am flying in the sky. It's my first flight.